Hello everyone, I'm Harish. I'm building a web application called Scale Mesh. So it is basically a application to deploy your APIs, front ends, or microservices directly on a cloud through a nice interface. So you don't have to go through every details or learn them. So I'm thinking of building two features. One is for single server, and other one is for, to scale your web application microservices. So today I build its first component. So I called it a build server. So it is building the application from directly from the GitHub repository and then saving its artifacts to the S3 buckets. So I'm using Docker, to I'm using Docker to uh, so that building part will not take place on the server itself of the scale mesh. So it will I will spawn up this Docker container and build the web application inside it and then destroy it. So yeah, so I'm running this. I'm building this in Go language. So in this first component, I'm just simply building the application and then saving the artifacts in a directory and uploading them to the S3 bucket. So let me show you a demo. So yeah, so what? So here we have. So currently it is building node modules. As you can see here, we don't have the node modules. It is building the application. It and let's say and we don't have the build yet. So it build it and save the artifacts to the S3 bucket. So let's check. Yeah. So currently we have the dist folder that our artifacts are saved. So yeah, so these are so we have four build files, one CSS, one JSS, JS sorry, and one HTML file. So these artifacts will be saved on the uh, S3 bucket. So I created this S3 bucket on my personal account. So yeah, so these are saving by the output name, and okay, something is missing. Yeah, so assets. Yeah, no, no. So we do have assets and we have those two files and I have to fix this slash. Yeah, this will be the project. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to set the environmental variable for project ID. So this project ID will be particular to the user. I will assign them, and we have these uploaded artifacts of our build web application. So currently, I am only supporting Node.js application. I will support all kinds of web application in the future. So that's it for the today. We'll see you tomorrow.